What I'm gonna do today is I'm going to remove these rear seats of a Mitsubishi Lancer or its rebadged Proton Inspira and the left side front seat. The first thing that we're gonna do is we are going to unhook the hook just below this seat. There are two hooks here, one on this side, one on the other, and you're gonna have to slip your hand inside here and you're gonna have a feel of where the hook is located, and then you're just gonna pull this with your two hands. First one. That's the second one. Then you're gonna have to slip these seat belts in on both sides, so that when you remove the cushion, you're gonna have to get this slip through the hole. So at this part in the middle, you guys would have to get your finger in and push this thing down. There is a hook over here. The hook would actually hook onto the other part of the seat, so you have to push this down and pull it out. Now we are going to remove this. Just take it out like that, slide it out and pull it out. I'm not sure what this is for, but I don't think the removal of the cushion affects it. There is a screw, of which I don't know where that come from, and yeah, I think we're okay. This is where your hook went in. This is where you have to pull it out. For this bolt, you have to use size 14. And do the other side, same. Apparently for the back seat, there is additional bolt that we have to open up, which you have to get this lowered down, and the bolts are these ones. Lower this down, then you can see there are another two in the middle and one at the end. Unfortunately for me, my wrench is not that long, so I'm gonna have to remove that compartment thing in the rear bonnet. Now that we have the clear access to the bolt, we can do the unscrewing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's go. So just slide this up. And Yes.
What are you doing?
Some work. There's actually a hook inside there. Let me just get my light there. That one that is needing a unhooking. But I haven't figured out yet how to do this. You have to slide it up and unhook this. Slide it up. Good. So easy. Just have to slide it up. I almost break it. So there you go, the removal of the rear seat of Mitsubishi Lancer or the rebadged Proton Inspira. Just a tip here, on each of the bolt that you have unbolt or unscrewed, just have to put it back so that you don't lose it the next time you want to install a new seats like a Recaro or any aftermarket seats. Just put it back on every bolts that you have. The front seat is relatively easier. You just have to unlock or uncover this cover, and there is a 14mm bolt underneath it. There is a 14mm bolt underneath this, and there are 4 numbers of this. 2 at the front and 2 at the back. Just unscrew it and then you can have your seats off. These are the front bolt. You got 2 bolts at the front. Just go and unscrew it and then you can have this off. I'm running out of battery, so I don't think I'm going to record this. So that's it, you guys. I hope this recording will help you guys in uninstalling your rear seats and your front seat for your Mitsubishi Lancer or the rebadged Proton Inspira. So there you have it. They're all now removed. So that's it. Till next time, I'll see you guys later.